In this video, I'm going to show you how to get different shields in Monopoly Go this 2024. To get started, go ahead and open Monopoly Go on your device and make sure you're signed in into your account. So in here, you can get different shields on the platform by joining the current events on the platform. So as you can see in here, the current event is this game placed in the middle of the board. Now, once you complete these events, there's a possibility for you to get shields on Monopoly Go you can actually equip for your account. Once you complete this Haunted Mansion event, you can possibly get one if there is a shield prize. Another way for you to get shield is to actually complete this quick win section. So this quick win section will allow you to get different rewards as you fill the bar for the week, and there can be possibly different shield design on the section if you check it in a weekly basis. Now you can also get shields from all of these offers that you can find at the left side of your screen once you open Monopoly Go. Be sure to check before you buy the deal to ensure that you're getting a shield and not a sticker and dice. And also check out the deals on the shop. You can possibly find a different shield deal in this section. Well, it depends on is actually displayed and featured. You can also get a different shield once you complete the current album on your account. Now, for this season, the current album is a Marvel album. Now, once you complete this Marvel album, you'll be able to get a Marvel themed shield that you can equip for your account. And that is how you can simply get different shields in Monopoly Go. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.